Namaste, myself Dr. Arun K. Sridhar. Welcome to my YouTube channel Scientific Facts. Today we are going to discuss about how elements are classified in modern periodic table. Based on outer electronic configuration, elements in the modern periodic table are classified into four. The first one is noble gas. Elements of group 18 in the modern periodic table are known as noble gas. Since the outer shell of these elements are complete, they are highly stable. Second one is representative elements. S block and P block elements are known as representative elements. Elements of group 1 and 2 in the modern periodic table are called S block elements, whereas elements of group 13 to 17 in modern periodic table are called P block elements. Third one is transition elements. Elements of group 3 to 12 in the modern periodic table are called transition elements. They are also known as D block elements. Fourth one is inner transition elements. Lanthanoids and actinoids, which are placed below the modern periodic table as a separate panel, are called inner transition elements. If you find this video useful, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. We will meet again in another video with another topic. Till then, goodbye.